Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube classes. I am your Somsekhar sir from Kumadwati Science and Commerce PU College, Shikaripura. In this session, I am going to present you model question paper analysis for your upcoming examination. Okay, let's get into the concept. Look at the question paper. Instructions. Follow the prescribed limit while answering the questions. When you are answering for 4 marks questions and 6 marks questions, you should follow the word limits. For 4 marks question, 80 to 100 words. If you exceed more than 20 words, no problem. But don't write too much. And when you are writing the 6 marks question, don't exceed more than 200 words. Okay. So follow that word limits when you are writing the long answers. Write the correct question number as it appears on the question paper. I hope it is a very common mistake that the students are going to do that one. So don't do that common mistake. Write it very clearly, question number, in your answer script. 1 mark questions attempted more than once will be awarded 0. Most of the students are writing the 1 mark question in the beginning of the answer script and at the end of the answer script. Don't do that mistake. So when you are writing the 1 mark question, attempt once in your answer script. If you are going to attempt for the 2 times, definitely you will get 0 marks. Okay? So attempt once for 1 mark questions neatly. Answer to question number 24 A to J and 25 1 to 3 should be in sequence and at one place. Here, most students don't know that these instructions. So passage question and answers and the poem question and answers should be in sequence and in one place. You have to write the passage answers first, then you have to take the poem answers. It should be one place and it should be sequence. Don't write it in the beginning of the answer script like a passage and at the end of the answer script like poem. Don't make like that. Write it at one place and in sequence itself. For multiple choice questions, choose the correct answer and rewrite it. Look at this. You have options, option A, option B, option C for multiple choice questions. Along with the options, write the answers. That is the instruction given in the beginning of the question paper in your annual examination. Look at the 1 mark questions. Answer the following in a word, phrase or a sentence each. And this first main carries 12 marks. Who according to Juliet is whiter than you snow? I wrote here answer Romeo. Dear students, when you are writing the 1 mark question, keep it in your mind. The answer might be a word or phrase or sentence. Here in this main, you need to cover up the timings and don't waste your time by writing the sentence, unnecessary sentence here. Write it as directly as possible. For example, who according to Juliet is whiter than you snow? It is Romeo. You will award it 1 mark. Got it? What business does the king of Monaco monopolize in Toudier? That is a gambling house, or maybe called as a gaming house, or maybe called as a the roulette. All these 3 can acceptable. According to the speaker in Our Children, life does not go dash. Look at here, for this question, you have options, multiple choice question it is. Option A swift, option B backward, option C stable. The right answer is option B backward. Look here, at your answer script, write like option B and write the answer itself, backward. Okay. What has Ecuador, according to Vandana Shiva, recognized in its constitution? The answer is the rights of the nature. Who accompanied Donna Lara when she came to park in a sunny morning? The right answer is Petra. By leaning against the arms of the Petra, Donna Lara entered into the retired corner of the Madrid park. In the poem, when you are old, many loved the ladies. Once again you have options here. Option A, huge wealth. Option B, physical beauty. Option C, pilgrim soul. The right answer for this question is option B, physical beauty. Look at here. You have to write the option B and along with the answer, physical beauty. Got it? Whose name is used to be said? Sangoji, in the gardener. The right answer is Basavaya. Porges says one must think that whatever happens to him or her is dash. Here you have options. Option A, resource. Option B, misfortune. And option C, embracement. The right answer for this question is option A, resource. Where does the tender sunshine lean on according to the speaker in heaven if you are not here on the earth? So the right answer is on the verdant garden or on the lush garden. 10th one. What do the people of Japan highly respect according to Marx? It is absolutely they respect one another's privacy. Which movement helped the Neoliterates to become neo-cyclist according to P. Sainath? It is Arivoli Ayakama movement or the Light of Knowledge movement helped the Neoliterates to become a neo-cyclist. The answer is Arivoli Ayakama movement or the Light of Knowledge movement. What is the speaker in water reminded of when she sees water? Here, there are so many answers for this question. You need to mention any one. Look at here. When the Chalapalli Swarupa Rani sees the water, these are the things come to our mind. For example, one here, the answer is, how my Vada, which would thirst all day. Or, when she sees the water, she also remember this, how we welcomed our weekly bath. And she also remembered that her childhood. Among these three answers, you may mention it any one because it is 1 mark question. Got it? So this is the first main. So here, directly write the answers. Either it may be in a word or phrase or sentence. All are acceptable and they won't cut the marks. Concentrate on the spellings, and most importantly, when you are writing the name, begins with a capital letter and everything. So this is the first main question. Look at the second main question. Here, most of the students are making a mistake. They won't score maximum mark in this sector. In this session, I am going to give you detailed solution for how to take a maximum mark in 4 marks and 6 marks. Look at here. Answer any 8 of the following, choosing at least 2 from the poem in the paragraph of 80 to 100 words. So here for 4 marks, 80 to 100 words of limitation is there. If you exceed 20 words, no problem. But don't exceed more than that. So how does Juliet glorify her love for Romeo through her address to Knight? Here we need to explain Juliet love, her immortal, intense, passionate love towards the Romeo. How she explained by using the Knight here. Look at some key words. My dear students, when you are writing the 4 marks questions, you need to follow some structure here. You need to use textual words in your answer script, and for the textual words you need to underline for those words here. If you are going to do that one, definitely those textual words, eye-catchy words for the evaluator, and the evaluator will award you maximum marks in the annual examination. Look at the keywords, which are the keywords you need to write in your answer script. Juliet waiting for Romeo. Okay. Take some little bit background, like Romeo went to the supper party which was hosted by the Lord Capulet, and unfortunately he sees the Juliet on the dance floor. Then he fall in love with her. She too feels a prodigious love with the enemy's family. Then both were agreed to marry, and they married. Unfortunately, during that party he kills one of the family member of the Capulet, and he went away from the region because of the fear of the punishment. Then, after the long time of waiting, Juliet, she told her immortal love to the Romeo by addressing the Knight here. So, look at the keywords, you need to present in your answer script. Juliet waiting for Romeo, addressing the Knight, ask Knight to come and give her Romeo. Says Romeo is day night, lies upon the wings of night, whiter than new snow on the raven's back, requesting loving gentle light to give her Romeo. Look here, requesting loving gentle light to give her Romeo. Loving gentle light is the adjective words for black adorable light. You need to explain all those things by using the sentence here. These are the key words I am going to give you in this session. To cutting out in little stars after her death, says he will make face of heaven so fine. The world will love with night, stop worshipping to the garish sun. So by using all these words, she explained and told us her intense love towards the Romeo by addressing the night here. So all the points are covered in the part of the Juliet dialogue, especially from your first unit of the Romeo and Juliet. So these are the key points. These key points should be in your answer script. Don't miss these key points in your answer script. If you miss all these, definitely the evaluator will give you 1 mark or 2 mark or 3 mark. And when you are look into the weightage of the 4 marks, you need to follow like this. For 4 valuable points, it carries 2 marks, and for your language ability carries 1 marks, and your coherence and the cohesions going to carry 1 mark. So this is the structure of your 4 marks weightage. Got it? Look at the next question. Why were the series of meetings held in Monaco in 2 years? Look at here. Question. They asked about the series of meetings. So you need to focus on meetings rather than the summary. Most of the students are making a mistake here. If they come to know the question will from the 2 year, they will write the entire summary itself. That is wrong. You should not write like that. Focus on what they asked. Here, the question is asking about the meetings which was held in the Monaco Kingdom. Look at the key points. What are the key points you need to cover here? In dealing with the criminal, Monaco faces problem after problem. So, what are the problems you need to mention? Because once the murder was happened in the Monaco Kingdom, okay, the courtiers, jurymen, all are met together and they had a final verdict to execute the criminal, to head cut off the criminal. Then the king agreed for that. And there was a problem. So which problem? They didn't have a guillotine machine and an executioner. So for that reason, they sent a similar enquiry letter to the France. France government asked for 16,000 francs. King won't accept for that. And they sent the same similar enquiry letter to the brother monarch Italy. Italian government asked 12,000 francs to send a guillotine machine and an executioner. But king didn't agree. And he told to the ministers, you must find out the cheaper way to dealing with this rascal. So that is why then the ministers met together, made a committee, subcommittee, all these things. Look at the other key points. Criminal to be executed, too expensive, death sentence altered to life imprisonment. Later it is also expensive. God dismissed. Criminal asked to run away, criminal not willing to go, offered pension, criminal let free. Every time a problem arises, meeting called, matter discussed, made a commission, committee, subcommittee, considered and reconsidered. See, all the focus on meeting itself rather than the story. You need to follow all these key points if they ask this question. Got it? Come to the next question. From the on children. On children refers to children as arrows and parents as bow. Explain. Here you need to explain the metaphor, how the Khalil Gibran used the metaphor in his poem. Look at here. Speaker on children says children are sons and daughters of life longing itself. The famous line is there. Your children are not your children, they are the sons and daughters of life longing itself. They come through you, not for you. So you need to begin with those lines, famous lines of the Khalil Gibran On Children poem. They come through you, parents, not from them, not belong to parents. The soul of children dwell in house of tomorrow, which the parents cannot visit in your dream itself. Parents should act as bow in archer's hand. Look at the metaphor here. You need to explain very neatly. He used the metaphor, archer as a god, bow as a parent, and the living arrow as a children. Look how he told. Should bend gladly. So Khalil Gibran told, archer is going to bending the bow and sending the living arrow into the infinity path. Here, in the bending of the archer's hand, the boy should have to taking the gladness, happiness, joyness. Similarly, the parents supporting to the children dream, their goal, their achievement, they should take their enjoyment. You need to explain all these things. Okay, I am giving only key points here. So bent gladly, archer has his mark on path of infinite. Children as arrow should fly. Archer love both. Look here, archer loves both the stable bow and the swift arrow, which is went into the infinity path. So these are the keywords you need to write in your answer script to take out of 4 or the maximum marks in this 4 marks sector. You need to cover all these key points, and most importantly, these are the textual words, underline for that, and don't do much also. Okay, for the textual words you underline that. Describe how Don Gonzalo glorified his cousin's death. Look at here. Take a little bit summary in the beginning sentence by the Sunny Morning by Serafin Jacquin. Then goes to the clear-cut information about the Gonzalo glorifies his cousin's death here. So Gonzalo says to the Don Lara, his cousin, the gallant lover, had a love affair with the Silver Maiden, and Silver Maiden also fell with the gallant lover of the Gonzalo's cousin. When he used to go to the by her beside the house of the Silver Maiden, she used to toss up a bouquet. When he was returning, she used to toss up the flower to him. So this was going on well. But unfortunately, when the gallant lover, the cousin of the Gonzalo, went to listen the song by the Silver Maiden near her window, he met a stranger, that the merchant whose parents, Silver Maiden parents, would like to marry that Silver Maiden to that merchant. Both were met each other and they made a duel. Here the war. Everything you need to mention in a sentence neatly. Okay, duel, and during that duel, the merchant wounded badly. That duel lasted the morning up to the sunshine. He was wounded very badly. Then, fears of the consequences, Gonzalo's cousin took a refuge in Gonzalo's house. Then he went to Seville. After some days, he came back to the Madrid. Then wrote lot of letters to the Silver Maiden, Laura Lorette. But those letters were interrupted by her parents. He did not get any reply from her. Because of that reason, in disappear, he joined to the army. Then what happened? From that army, he went to the Africa. In the ditch, he met a glorious death. How it is? Look here. When he was dying in the ditch on the deep hole, he held the Spain flag in his hand and whispered his beloved love, Laura Lorette. So the glorification is completed right now. So use all these textual words, key points to express your answers. And most importantly, don't forget the coherence and cohesion. Got it? Okay. Look at the next question. What circumstances led to the unhappiness of the owner's wife in the gardener? Here, this question from the Gardener, 7th unit of the English syllabus. Take a little bit background. The gardener walked so long away, 100 miles, and he went to the Chandrayapatna, met the plantation owner, and few words exchanged between the owner and the gardener stayed. He has a long beak, nose, and strong muscular arm. Then he is very well versed in the agricultural. Because of that reason, the petty theft were stopped in the coconut plantation. Slowly, the coconut plantation increased. Look at the keywords. The word man, really useful, well versed in agricultural. Theft stopped, income increased, plantation extended because of the gardener. Owner's lifestyle changed. So when the wealth came into his hand, the owner's lifestyle is changed. Become a lethargic, very passive. Acquired many friends as well as VCs. So when he got the money, he acquired the many friends along with some VCs, in the sense bad activities like adultery. Okay, you need to mention all these things. Life become crowded with colorful events because of that bad VCs. Wife felt all this strange. So earlier, the owner of that coconut plantation wouldn't do all these activity, and his life wouldn't covered by the colorful event. But after the arrival of the grand old man or the gardener, the plantation expanded and the owner lifestyle is changed. Because of that reason, she was in a fix whether the arrival of the gardener is for the good or worse. Look, couldn't decide the result of old man's arrival, felt life getting out of hand. So she felt that her husband life is getting out of her hand. She was got in that fix. When she was got in that fix, the old man called her and he narrated the story reminding the Basavaya and Tamanna story. These are the key points you need to cover. So these key points depended on the question. Okay. Bring out the changes that the foot undergoes after being condemned to live in a shoe to the foot from its child. So this question from the poem written by Pablo Neruda. This is the one of the full of imaginary poem, and it is an optimistic poem. Take a little bit these kind of words when you are describing the poem here. And you need to mention how the experience of the foot inside the shoe. Okay, look here. The soft nails of child's foot turned out as like a quartz, and they bunch it together, grow hard as like a horn, and they change it into opaque substance. As the example for darkness, hard as horn, the petaled toes grow bunched together out of trim. Those nails didn't trim itself. Take on a form of eyeless reptiles, triangular heads. So the child foot developed inside the shoe without shape here. Okay. And this is a real experience of that foot inside the shoe, which was condemned to live inside the shoe itself. And it's like a worm, later grow calloused, covered with the faint volcanoes of death, coarsening hard to accept. Look here, later grow calloused. Later that foot went into the burial ground. Covered with a faint volcano representing the burial ground here. That foot, which has an optimistic to become a butterfly or an apple, but it didn't become. But still, it is continued its optimistic way at the end of the poem itself. Still, it is continued. But here, as for the concern of the poem, it is enough. Covered with the faint volcanoes of death, coarsening hard to accept. It is very hard to accept the reality. Okay. Next question. What are Borges' views on poetry in I Believe That Book Will Never Disappear? Look at it. Borges says poetry is so intimate, essential. Cannot be defined without oversimplifying it. So it is difficult to defining like a color of yellow, the love and the fall of leaves in the autumn. You need to mention all these things. The poetry is the aesthetic act. Poetry, not poem. Poetry not more than series of symbol. It is a series of symbol which is going to signaling our life. Poetic act takes place when poet writes, when the reader reads in its slightly different manner. Poetry is magical, mysterious, unexplainable event, although not incomprehensible. So these are the views about the poetry. And you may also add some other quote by the Borges. What are the other things? He also referred to some precise words have to use in the poem and the poetry itself. And he also mentioned one example, Emily Dickinson example. She used the particular words. This quiet dust was a ladies and gentlemen. Here he referred the precise words, ladies and gentlemen. Instead of writing the ladies and gentlemen, if she write the men and women, maybe her poetry was failed. You may also refer these things in this question. Okay, thank you. Look at here. Why does George Mike says that nobody hurries in Brazil? What instance does he give to illustrate this? So here you need to mention about all the leisurely characters of the Brazil people. Look at the keywords. Mike says nobody hurries in Brazil. reaching destination an hour too soon, a day late, or not at all does not matter. Grey pavement in street of Copacabana decorated with a beautiful black mosaic. Stone, only people live to beauty in surroundings. People who have plenty of time for contemplation during meditative ambulatory exercise would travel to the decoration for that Copacabana streets would decorate pavements. So these are the things you need to mention each and everything. My humble suggestion to you, my dear students, read the textbook very neatly. You will definitely get maximum mark in 4 marks and 6 marks criteria. Look at the next question. Describe the meeting held by POP campaign team with roof in the hotel. POP campaign team visited roof at night. Team leader might be called roof friend because they were both well-known persons, because both were belong to the Umofia village itself. Behaved in cold and business-like manner. Placed 5 phones on floor to vote for Maduka. Roof first refused, later tempted by the money, accepted the offer. Questioned campaigner about secrecy of meeting. Convinced, made to sworn on eye the fearsome little affair. Each and everything you need to cover. How the roof was behaved when the POP campaigner visited to him. How the little exercises when he went and closed the door, when he returned back to the chair, that little exercises made him to take the decision or to take the 5 pounds. So mention all those things. Don't leave anything also. Look at the last question. Why was there is a shortage for ladies cycle in Pudukottai? How did the woman react to it? So where there is a will, by P. Sainath, one of the women empowerment based chapter for you, and there you come to know the equality between the gender, male and female. So here you need to mention about particular reason how they reacted for the ladies shortage of the ladies cycle, like that. Mobility made part of literacy drive. Cycling encouraged. So here mobility made the part of the literacy drive, and they learned, they become a neo-literates, and the neo-literates turned out as like a neo-cyclist for that reason, and encouraged the cycling. Sheila Rani Chankat pushed banks to give loans to buy cycle. Women took to cycling. First activists learned cycle, then neo-literates. Every woman wanted to learn. This led to shortage of ladies cycle. Women did not stop learning. Choose gent cycle as a medium for freedom. You need to mention all the sentence very neatly. I am going to explaining only key points. Okay, so you need to cover all these key points. Use the textbook, read it, then write it. Cycle. Even perform them as these have an additional bar from the seat. So these are the key points you need to mention. So this is the 4 marks questions. One thing, look at the weightage. 2 marks for 4 valuable points. 1 mark for your language ability. 1 mark for your coherence and cohesion. The order, how you are going to present. So for example, take example of 2 dear. If they ask about the punishment, first they sent a enquiry letter to the France, then sent to the brother monarch Italy, then asked the soldier, then changed the death sentence to the life imprisonment. Then there is a problem. Look here, this is the order, coherence and cohesion. You need to mention all these things in your answer script for maximum marks. Look at the 6 marks question. Answer the following in about 200 words. It carries 6 marks, and here the word limitation is there, 200 words. And when you are writing the 6 marks question, look at the weightage, marks weightage for the 6 marks question here. 6 valuable points carries 3 marks, and 1 mark carries for your language ability, and 1 mark carries for your coherence and cohesion, and the final 1 mark carries for your expression, for your opinion. Okay, totally 6 marks. Here, most of the students are leaving the expression part. For example, when the question comes from the water, at the end of the answer, you need to give your own message, whether that was right or not, whether it is good or bad. So your expressions is also considered as for 1 marks here. So don't make that mistake, and do remember to write your expression, your opinion in the examination, especially for the 6 marks question. Look at the one example here. The Earth University teaches Earth Democracy. Explain with reference to Vandana Shiva's essay, Everything I Need to Know I Learned in the Forest. Earth University located at Navdanya. These are the key points. Biodiversity form. Teaches Earth Democracy. Freedom for all species to evolve within web of life. Freedom and responsibility of humans as members of Earth family to recognize, protect, respect rights of other species, shift from anthropocentrism to the ecocentrism, translate human rights to food and water, freedom from hunger and thirst. These are the key points. And most importantly, at the end of the answer, you need to give your expression. Recently in Kerala, some nonsense fellows gave some crackers to eat the elephant. They thought elephant doesn't have a right to live on the earth. That is wrong. Here we need to give us freedom for all species. Otherwise, as a family member of the earth, we are failed. And we are showing our anthropocentrism to the other species. That is wrong. So like this, you need to give your expression, your opinion regarding the topic. Got it? Look at another example here. In the 6 marks question, there are 3 questions are there. Among the 3 questions, you need to write one here. You need to choose one here and choose the good question. Describe the situation wherein Don Gonzalo and Don Lara recognize each other as Silver Maiden and the gallant young man. So for this question, look at the key answer. Gonzalo reading poetry refers to poet Campoamor. Says he met the poet in Valencia. Says he spent his early youth. Lara tells about Marcela, villa near Valencia. Gonzalo tells about Lara Lorette, the Silver Maiden. Gonzalo described her. Lara refers to sad love affair. Ask Gonzalo about it. Convince it to Gonzalo's identity. Both recall romantic love affair. Exchange of lovers. Lara refers to duel. Gonzalo confirmed about Lara's identity. Gonzalo says gallant young man, his cousin. Lara says Silver Maiden, her friend. So these are the valuable points you need to mention in your answer script, and for make underline for textual words. And at the end, you need to refer how that old fellows recognized their young love and how they concealed their identity. What was the reason behind that? Whether for the good or whether for the bad. Give your own expression. And as for 6 marks, I am suggesting don't take a Sunday morning question here, because it is in the direct sentences. You need to convert into the indirect sentences, like a reporting sentences. That is a difficult task for you to write the 6 marks question. Okay, it is my suggestion. If you take it, no problem. It's just my suggestion only. Look at the next question. Water is a witness to centuries of social injustice. Explain with reference to the poem Water. Look, if you take the water poem or the everything I need to know I learned from the forest, you may give your own expression. Okay, like referring to the general knowledge and the present events. But if you take the Sunday morning, it is difficult to refer your experience, refer the present events. That is why I told. Look at the key points. Water, witness to injustice in the name of caste. You need to mention all the Panchama agonies. Strife between village and Wada, untouchability, no injustice in the name of race, Samaria and Jews, subcaste difference, leather in school, witness to agony of Panchama, waiting with empty pot, humiliation of Wada girl, water poured from distance, witness to rage caused by circumstances, discrimination, karma chedu suvartama, opposing kamma landlorder. Everything you need to mention. Okay, the major highlighting points. So these are the things you need to follow up. My dear students, Do remember, this is the things you need to follow up compulsorily if you want to take maximum marks in these two sector. Got it? The next video we will going to discuss how to take a maximum mark in grammar section. Okay, thank you very much. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you have any doubts, comment me in the below comment box. I will reply to you. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.